Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, Billy Idol. This guy is just doing it still. So, a cool song from Billy Idol, and the song is called Cage. 4 chords only. We will use some power chords, bar chords, yeah, whatever we're gonna call it. It's a way of playing the chords style, so that's what we're gonna look at. So let's start with this song. No need for any cape on this one. And the chords we're going to look at is G, D, E minor, and C. So let's start with G. We will play, when it comes to bar chords, you usually just play the bass strings here. We will focus on 2 strings here. So you will place for G here the 5th fret D string and the 7th fret G string. So this is what you're gonna focus on, and what you can do, you can use your part here of this hand, your palm here, to lean on top of the strings in the background here, so you have it a little bit muted, so you don't want it to ring out like that, so like this, and you just work with your wrist like that. Okay, so that is the G grip like this. Then the next chord is the D. You just move everything up 1 string. So the same place there. Now it's the 5th fret on A string together with the 7th fret on the D string. That's the D grip. Next is the E minor. So you just move the grip 2 frets towards you. So you're still on the same strings. And this is the E minor grip, the 7th fret A string, and together with the 9th fret D string. And then we have the final chord, the C. You just move it up here to this position. That gives you the 3rd fret on A string, together with the 5th fret on the D string. And that's the D grip. All right, so G, D, E minor, and C. That's what you need for a song. So we're just gonna look at 2 different ways or chord progressions to handle here. The first one is the verse play, and the instrumental play. It's played in the same way. So we have 1 chord progression there, and we have 1 in the chorus. It's all about the downs all the time, so nothing special. Your right hand, just you chew like this on these power chords. So the main thing here for the verse will be G, 3 downs, then D, 2 downs, then E minor, 2 downs, and C, 9 downs. All right, so G3, D2, E minor 2, C9. So G3, D2, E minor 2, and C9. And this is, of course, very slowed down. We need to speed up a little bit, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's very convenient to have just the same grip moved around the fretboard, and the thing here is to get up in the right speed and to get the right rhythm for it. So 3, 2, 2, 9. Okay, so you need to get the feeling for it. You don't have time to count up to 9 or so. You just hear when it's time to change. So you just learn this. this, all right? It will come with some practice. So that is the main part when it comes to intro, the verse, and the instrumental play. Now the last part is the chorus, and this is just the D, the E minor, and C. So you will stay on these strings here, the A and D, just move around here from D to E minor to C. So very, very convenient and easy like that. You will play 16 downs on D, then 8 downs on E minor, and 8 downs on C. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 on D, then E minor, C. And so on. Yeah, so a very addictive song to play, actually, from Billy Idol. Cool song, and you had just these two chord progressions, and you have very easy grips as well, and it's something with it that just makes it fun to play. So give it a try, 4 chords only, and you can rock and roll like Billy Idol or so. Cage, this one is for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Play tuned.